Welcome to Java 101. Today we will be learning Java programming. In this tutorial we will be creating your first Java application. First open your IDE. You can use IntelliJ, NetBeans, JCreator, and the one I'm using JGrasp. Create a new file in JGrasp. Select File, New, and then Java. After that type the following. Hit save, compile, and run the file. Take note that the class name must be the same with the file name. This is the class name. Everything used within Java program must be part of a class. Define Java class using any name or identifier. Requirements for identifiers. Must begin with letter of English alphabet or non-English letter, such as alpha or pi. Cannot begin with digit. Requirements for identifiers. Can only contain letters, digits, underscores, dollar signs. Cannot be Java reserved keyword. Cannot be true, false, or null. Static is a reserved keyword in Java. It means a method accessible and usable, even though no objects of class exist. Void is use in main method header. This does not indicate main method empty. It indicates main method does not return value when called. Doesn't mean main method doesn't produce output.